Hello, Redditors! Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to edit your Reddit profile. Whether you want to update your bio, add a profile picture, or highlight your interests, this tutorial has you covered. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Reddit app on your device or visiting the Reddit website on your computer. Locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select the My Profile option. This will take you to your profile page. Next, click on the Edit button. This will open up the profile customization page where you can make various changes. Here you can add or update your bio to share more about yourself. Change your profile picture to something that represents you. Highlight your interests or other details to personalize your profile. After making your desired updates, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. Your Reddit profile is now updated and ready to showcase your personality. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing your Reddit profile.